In today's video, we're going to look at the best AI video editing tools so that you can edit your videos as fast as possible. So the first tool that we're going to look at is called Filmora. It's called Wondershare Filmora, okay? So it looks like this on the inside, right? You have everything there. I just brought up the first part of it because it takes a few minutes to do, and this is called AI text-based editing. So it basically like gets the script of your little video here, in my case just a short one here I was doing before, and it writes out the text here. And for example, I was just testing here, so I don't like that part, so you just highlight that part, and as you can see at the bottom here, it is highlighted in the actual footage, right? So if you just don't like it, then you just delete it, and then it just also deletes right there. So let's say I don't want all of this footage part here, and it highlights this part, and I just delete it, and then it's gone, right? So that's pretty cool way to edit videos nowadays, I think, and AI really helps. And at the end, then all you have to do is export the timeline, or you can also delete all the silent clips. So it has automatically highlighted all of the parts where I'm not talking. So these are parts that you probably won't want in your video, and just deletes it like that, and then exports the timeline. And you get it like that. So it's just already all the stuff that you're just talking. So it also has generated the subtitles for me here, which is really cool. But for the next part, I just want to show you, I just want to bring in the original footage first. So to really use all the AI features, you just need to right click here and go to this Smart Edit tool. So you have the AI text-based editing that we just did. The silence detection, right? That's the one also. You can do it like this. If you want to just get rid of all those silences, it's really helpful and makes editing much faster. They also have other features like speech to text, so like it just makes the text and captions for you, right? This is for if you want to get rid of the vocals in a song. I don't really use that. There's also a translation, so this is really cool and works really well. I speak Spanish, and I can tell that there's only a small few errors with it. But other than that, it's super cool thing if you want to translate your videos into different languages. So that's the first tool. That's my main editing tool. It's called Wondershare Filmora. It's also not that expensive at $49 per year, not per month, okay? So that's one of the reasons I use it as well. It's not that expensive compared to some of the other tools. The next tool we have here is Veed.io. So this is another one that's launching plenty of AI tools. So we have the avatar video, right, where you have a person talking, an AI avatar talking for your video. They also have the clips feature, right, where you have a long form video and then you can clip it into a short form video. So before, maybe you had to use Opus Clips or something like that, a specific tool, but now Veed actually has that built in, right? So that's a super cool feature too. So what I really like about Veed in terms of AI also is these magic tools, right? Similar ideas, right? So they can remove the background noise, right? You can auto subtitle, so auto add subtitles. That's very handy, right? Eye contact, especially if you're reading a script, that can be really good. Remove the background, okay? Maybe you need that effect, green screen, but translate voice, and also the magic cut, right? Remove the ums, ahs, and bad takes, right? And the silences. So it can do all of those things. So it really has all of the tools combined into one here, and it's also online. So sometimes it's actually easier to just edit in the cloud, right? They also have loads and loads of features down here as well. Text to speech, voice clone, and you can add the stock footage and music and everything like that. The other one I was using is called Descript, okay? I was not using this one anymore because it was getting quite expensive compared to the other ones. And basically they have the same features, right? It has the same thing, the text editor, right? It looks cool, but again, it's not in the cloud, right? This, you have to download the program for it. And I like having the timeline so you can just clip bits that you don't like really. So it's not the one that I'm using anymore, but also a good AI video editing tool. And the last one I'll talk about is probably the one that most people are using. It's called CapCut, right? This is really good for shorts, right? But it also has loads and loads of stuff. They're just adding long form to shorts, as you can see there. The best thing about CapCut for me is all the little effects and auto captions, and the music they have is really good, right? So loads of people use this for creating shorts and TikToks and Instagram Reels and stuff like that. It's really, you know, it's got templates So it's really the AI video tool that people are using for short form content. They've got these cool templates as well that you can use, right? And here are the magic tools they have here. So they are really launching a lot of stuff very fast. So there's just have a look at all this stuff. Really, I haven't gone through all of it yet, but look, as you can see, an ad script, long form to shorts, AI models, right? Just tons of stuff. Okay. So have a look at that one too. So they are my favorite AI video editing tools for 2024. I hope this saves you some time in editing your videos. YouTube is probably the best thing you can be doing right now with your time, in my opinion. So let's keep going with the videos. Subscribe to the channel for more AI marketing tips.